Supriya Sule has refused to answer when questioned regarding Sunetra's oath ceremony.
सगळा महाराष्ट्र बघतोय की
रुको ना
पवार
लागा.
साहेब कशा पद्धतीने
आम्ही
आहेत.
तुमच्यासाठी काम करू.
एकच शब्द
कुठेतरी
रामकृष्ण हरी.
विश्वासात घेतलं नाही का ते
रामकृष्ण हरी.
रामकृष्ण
सगळा महाराष्ट्र बघतोय की
रुको ना
पवार
लागा.
साहेब कशा पद्धतीने
आम्ही
आहेत.
तुमच्यासाठी काम करू.
एकच शब्द
ते कुठेतरी
रामकृष्ण हरी.
विश्वासात घेतलं नाही का ते
रामकृष्ण हरी.
रामकृष्ण
सगळा महाराष्ट्र
All right, so Sunetra Pawar has taken oath as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, but when asked these questions, Supriya Sule refuses to answer when these questions are posed to her by the reporters. Of course, Supriya Sule, the daughter of Sharad Pawar, continues to be in her father's faction of the NCP, was there for the family when this horrific tragedy took place just a few days ago, roughly about 3 odd days ago. And now asked this question about Sunetra Pawar taking over as the Deputy Chief Minister. She refuses to answer these questions posed by the press. Now when Sharad Pawar was also asked this question, also the patriarch really of the Pawar family and heading the NCP, his own faction, he said that I do not know. This is a decision that has been taken by the party internally. The sense really is that they aren't very happy about what has happened. As far as Sunetra Pawar taking over is concerned, because questions are also being raised on why the hurry here as far as Sunetra taking over is concerned. Also speculations that both the factions of the NCP could merge, something that senior leaders have spoken about, saying this was Ajit Pawar's wish as well, that the Sharad Pawar faction and his faction, late Ajit Pawar's faction, should come together, but clearly that is not something that has happened at this point in time. But in fact, Sunetra Pawar continues to be a member of the NCP and of her husband's faction of the party, and now a member of a part of the government, with her taking over as the Deputy Chief Minister and Eknath Shinde as the second deputy, and of course Devendra Fadnavis as the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. Sharad Pawar and Supriya Sule and other members of the Pawar family weren't there for the oath-taking ceremony as well. It's an internal matter of the party, is what senior leader of the party, Sharad Pawar, and the patriarch really of the family said when asked questions on Sunetra Pawar taking oath as the Deputy Chief Minister. Clearly indications that they aren't very happy about what has happened. Ajit Pawar died tragically just a few days ago in a horrific airplane crash, after which this post was left vacant. Of course, Ajit Pawar held important portfolios also within the Maharashtra cabinet, and these naturally would be now held by Sunetra Pawar.